Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Muzz on your phone. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, you have to open the Muzz app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app. Now on the screen, you can see you can continue with Apple, continue with Google, or continue with email. Just select one of those. I'm gonna select continue with email. Now type in your email address, tap on continue. Then they're gonna send a verification code on your email. Wait for the verification code. Okay, mine's here. Just copy it, then go back and paste it. Just tap on begin my journey, then select your gender. Now write in your name, tap on continue. Select the year and date you were born in. Once you upload the photo, they're gonna ask you to take a selfie. I've got that part out. Well, you have to prove your genuinity, then tap on continue. Now they're gonna ask you for your number, type in your number, then they're gonna send you a verification code. Wait for the verification code, copy the verification code from WhatsApp or your messages, then it will automatically verify. Now search your countries, fill in all the personal details. They're gonna ask you a few questions. Well, you just have to answer them. Select the age limit, then tap on submit. Once you answer all the questions like your personality type, you add a bio, you upload pictures and stuff. Finally, all you have to do is tap on accept and finish. Then select continue, and guys, that's it. That's how you sign up for Muzz on your phone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.